What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Gigantic 86 Mark. And we're gonna be opening up some Forbidden Light, Celestial Storm, Lost Thunder, and some Team Up Dollar Tree packs. There's 5 each here. Maybe a little off, but let's get into these packs. So we're gonna start off from old all the way to new. So let's just get into this. Still trying to pull the gold card from Forbidden Light. Let's see. Okay, we got a reverse Garchomp for I think this is a reverse hollow. That's cool. That up there. Put that right there. We have uncommon. Excuse me. We have another rare. What we got here? Let's see. And an uncommon. These dollar packs are getting really hard to open up. And we got, look at that Executor. Kind of weird. You got an Ultra Beast. Something. Let's get into Celestial Storm. Nothing. Comment below on what is your favorite card. Pull and see what I'll pull from these packs. Okay, I got another reverse. Croctillion. Okay. Another reverse Ringo. Life herb life herb just kidding. For the herb. Nothing there. Not for Lost Thunder. I need to try to pull a GX. It's all about luck with these. All about luck. Nothing. Just bulk. Why are these packs so hard? Try not to bend the card, you know. Don't let that no. Let's see. Okay, another reverse. Hey, I'm pulling a lot of reverses. And see what we get from this one. Come on, give me a GX. I want to get a GX. A Jigglypuff. Okay. Next pack. I hope the team up get to pull anything good. Hope so. And okay, nothing. Nothing. Time for some team up. And nothing. Come on, team up. Give me some luck. Nothing. Nothing else. Come on. Gotta pull something. Nothing. Oh, great. Oh, it's gonna be one of those days. Oh, there we go. We got a Laker Rock GX. There we go. There we go. That, yo, that's super uncut. Wow. Look at that. That's crazy. Look how uncut that is. At least GX. The back is fine. Like the back is fine. But the top of that was whoo, super uncut. Just the top though, just right there. Just right there. That's crazy. And there goes one GX. I will sleeve them up in another video. And oh, okay, Absol Hollow. Now that's a good card. Look at that. I don't know the price for this, but I think it's a few bucks for this card. So this is what I pulled. I pulled a Wingo uncommon, a Whismur uncommon. I pulled Cyndaquil uncommon, and I pulled a reverse hollow Garchomp. I pulled that. I pulled Absol Hollow and a really cut. Sorry for my language, for the way I speak. How uncut this card is. A really uncut card. It's not in bad condition, but yo, that's super uncut. The back is fine. Look, a little dirt. That's nothing, but look how uncut that card is. So that's for this video. Comment below what is your favorite card. Let's get this video to at least 10 likes. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get all my notifications. And I will see you in the next video. This is Marquise Gigantic 86 Mark. signing out.